Hi, I'm Tomasz. Welcome to eliteguitarist.com, where I'll teach you a tutorial how to play Spagnoletta by an anonymous composer. First of all, I would like to thank my friends from Guitar Salon International for letting me play this beautiful instrument by Vincenzo Carillo with cedar top, Indian rosewood back and sides. Really good instrument for players who are looking for a powerful instrument that is easy to play and projects very well. I would like to start working on this piece with the rhythms. In my opinion, at the very beginning, rhythms are the most challenging, and there are in particular two quite difficult rhythmical figures. The first one is visible in the second measure, and it's a dotted quarter note, an eighth note, and a quarter note. And the second one is visible in the second measure of the second line, measure 11, and it is a half note and two eighth notes. So I would like to start with a clapping exercise. Put your guitar on the laps, just like this, so it didn't bother you. And let's start clapping. So I would like to start with equal quarter notes, okay? In the meter of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, clap with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Very good. Okay, now I would like to introduce equal eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 great. Okay, I think now we are ready for the first challenging rhythm. So let's do a dotted quarter note, an eighth note, and a quarter note, okay? And I would like you to count with me. 1, 2, and 3. So, as you probably notice, my 2 is very silent. I just say it for myself, but I try not to make it audible. Try to count like me. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Very good, okay? Let's start with clapping. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. So that's the first challenging rhythm. The second challenging rhythm is present in the measure 11, and it is a half note and two eighth notes, okay? So let's try to do this one. 1, 2, 3, and 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 1, 2. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. Get ready in your playing position, and let's just try to play these rhythms on open strings, okay? We can start with the first string, okay? I would like you to use I and M finger and play interchangeably, okay? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Move to the second string. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Third string. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Let's play the second challenging rhythm. Okay? A half note and two eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and second string. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and third string. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Very good. So, rhythms shouldn't be the problem now.